Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Williams, Minnesota, a small town nestled in the forests and farmland of northern Minnesota. This community was founded in the early 1900s as the logging industry and railroads brought settlers to the area. Life here has always been connected to the land, with hunting, fishing, and farming shaping daily life. Over the years, Williams has maintained its small-town charm while providing a close-knit community for residents. The surrounding lakes and woods make it a great place for outdoor recreation and enjoying nature's beauty. Whether you're exploring the outdoors or just passing through, Williams offers a peaceful and welcoming stop in northern Minnesota. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Williams, Minnesota. Thanks for watching!